In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close the books in QuickBooks, which is an essential task that ensures your financial data is accurate and ready for the coming fiscal year. Closing the books locks in your accounting data so that past transactions can't be edited, keeping your financials secure and reliable. Let's walk through the process step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll be comfortable and confident in handling this task. First, head over to the QuickBooks website. You'll need to sign in with your credentials, so have those on hand. Once you're logged in and at the QuickBooks homepage, it's time to start navigating through the settings. From the homepage, the next step is to locate and click on the settings icon. This icon looks like a small gear, usually positioned at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on it will open a drop-down menu of various options. Now that the settings menu is visible, select the Account and Settings option. This will redirect you to a new page where you can adjust various settings related to your account. Here you'll find several tabs on the left-hand side. Look for the tab labeled Advanced and click on it. The Advanced tab contains more nuanced options that allow you to customize various aspects of your account. Once you're in the Advanced settings, scroll down until you see the section titled Close the Books. Here's where the magic happens. This section will enable you to lock all transactions until a specified closing date. Click on Close the Books. You may need to confirm your decision, so be prepared to take that step to secure your financials. Just a quick tip. Before you close the books, double-check to ensure that all entries and transactions for the period you're closing are accurate. This avoids any potential discrepancies when you begin the next accounting period. Let's emphasize again the importance of closing the books. It's crucial to ensure accurate financial reporting. Plus, it helps safeguard your records against unauthorized changes, enabling only those with a passcode or similar authorization access to adjust past transactions. After you've set the closing date and confirmed your action, you should review everything to ensure it's in order. Maybe take a moment to check your reports to confirm all information is showing as expected. With these steps completed, you've effectively closed the books in QuickBooks. You're now ready to focus on the future without worrying about past data being altered. Remember, this process might feel complex at first, but with practice, it becomes second nature. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful in guiding you through closing the books in QuickBooks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more instructional content just like this. See you next time.